Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to verify Cash App account. First, open the Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Personal. Here, you can choose to add an email address to help friends find you, but that's optional. What's required for verification is adding your full legal name, entering your current address, providing your personal information like your date of birth and the last four digits of your SSN. Once you've submitted the necessary details, your account should be successfully verified within a short time. And that's it. That's how to verify your account on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.